Welcome to my YouTube channel Smart Engineer. Today we will study about broaching tool terminology in detail. As we know, broaching is a machining process of removing metal with a multi-point cutting tool which has a teeth arranged in a row. Each teeth is successively higher than the previous teeth and remove more material. You can watch my previous video for understanding broaching process in detail by clicking on I button. The broaching tool has three main sections, one for roughing section, another for semi-finishing and the final one for the finishing. Here is the complete diagram of broaching tool with all its parts. So let's understand the complete terminology of broaching tool with this diagram. First, pull end. Pull end is used for connecting broaching machine through pulling head. Front pilot. Front pilot locates the broaching centrally with the hole to be broached just before starting of process. Roughing teeth. Roughing teeth is a broach teeth which remove most of metal during cutting. Semi-finishing teeth. Semi-finishing teeth is a broach teeth just ahead of finishing teeth which take the semi-finishing cut. Finishing teeth. Finishing teeth is also broach teeth for finishing the hole to their accurate size and shape. Rear pilot and flower. Rear pilot and flower is for giving support to the broach after the last tooth leaving the workpiece. Land. Land is a top portion of teeth, so it is the width of length face of the broach. Shank length. Shank length is the portion of broach in front of teeth which is the pull end. Pitch. Pitch is a linear distance between two corresponding points on two successive teeth of broach. It is more in roughing teeth than the finishing teeth. Height of roughing and finishing teeth gradually increase from the shank to the finishing teeth. This increment is called the cut per tooth. This is the complete terminology of broaching tool. If you think video is knowledgeable for you, then like and share with your friend. Also, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching video.